Alright, cool. Third day in a row that I'm doing this trade recap. Today is Thursday, May 18th, 2023. And honestly, it was a bad day today. I only took one trade. I did post a TikTok about it, but I will post another one soon. Essentially, the market moved a lot today, and I missed the big moves that we'll get into. And when I did actually, go into a move, I hit my stop loss, and then immediately after, shot straight into my direction, and I ended up hitting my take profit after like 15 minutes. I don't know, I can't tell if I like my hair or not. I kind of fuck with it actually. Anyways, so yeah, let's just get into the trades. So I started off the day, today I was actually trading at school. I had my laptop and everything, but unfortunately my friends found me because I was just, I was just trading on a chair in the hallways. And that's kind of where the focus dropped off. I was going to try and be, focused a couple of hours. I wasn't going to go to my first two classes. My first class was on a field trip. My second class, we have a sub for the rest of the year because our teacher's pregnant. And I already did my work, whatever. So I was just trading in the hallways, and they came, and it kind of fucked up with my... There was somebody outside. It fucked up with my focus. And so, I was just watching. This is the 5-minute chart. We'll go back down to the 3-minute. So, yeah, the day started off here. Not much. I marked this zone right here once I saw these two candles. And, right about here, I missed up until here, right? And I have this marked. I marked this big rectangle at the beginning of the day. But I went to the bathroom and I got distracted by another one of my friends, and I talked to them for a while, which made me miss this move, this whole thing. And by the time I checked my phone mid-conversation, it was already like here, right? So I just, or it was somewhere, I don't know. It wasn't close to a level. Point is, I don't like to make my entries far away from my levels because anything can happen, right? That's the point of the level in the first place. So, right. Then, this is where things get interesting. I was kind of like mid-conversation, mid-fucking looking at my computer with the AirPods in, or sometimes my AirPods would be out, and I'll be listening to the conversation, and I wouldn't really be too focused on what was happening on my screen. This is what the fucking VIX looked like. I don't know. I'm not that good with the VIX. On the 3-minute. Cool. Literally nothing interesting. Except for this move. This bounce and this move back down. This fade to the downside. This is where it got interesting. This red line is a monthly level. What does that mean? If I go to the month. Oh, there it is. You can see, which led us to trading for the next year below this level. So for the past 12 months, we have been below this monthly level. So as you can see, this candle went all the way up, but it didn't have enough pressure to break through it, so it just came back down. Same with this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, cool. And so how did that affect my trading today? Well, as I was not as focused as I was kind of planning on being, because I was going to trade for a couple of hours today, like undisturbed on my laptop, which I never get to do. I'm always in class trading on my phone. But today I got the chance to trade on my laptop. And I wasn't focused because there were people around me the whole time. And so I saw the price come right up to this fucking monthly level, the one that we were just talking about. This one right here. And at this point, I don't know if it's because of a lack of focus or because I'm just not good at day trading, but I am struggling to find, indicators on taking a trade. I'm struggling. And okay, now it's been, let's see how long it's been. It's been, almost an hour and a half. It's been an hour and a half since we were last at a level. These are areas of interest, but these aren't really levels. It's been an hour and a half since we were last at a level. We were at the level at the open. Okay, cool. Now I can look to take an entry because I don't like to trade away from the levels. I like to get as close to the level as possible. And the monthly level is a very strong, very, very strong area of interest. As you can see, we've been trading underneath it for 12 months. So that automatically, I start thinking, we've been trading underneath it for 12 months. We might, and most likely will, continue to trade underneath it for 12 more, not for 12 months. We're going to continue trading underneath it. And the only thing that would get us above that is a huge rush of volume. So immediately, as this candle tries to push up, fails to break it, and then this red candle comes back down. Obviously, I'm watching the 5 minute. So as you can see, over 15 minutes, this is the candle formation. I enter a call right here, based on that previous knowledge of the strength of this level, and just where we're at the price. And I'm trying to watch volume, although it's not like working that well. I can see that. I don't know what I saw. Oh, I don't remember what I saw, to be honest. But I don't know. The VIX was just fucking bullshit. Fuck you. But basically, I kind of just fucking threw a put onto my account, and I try to find volume and volatility, but mostly all I found was the price action, and the price action wasn't even that strong. It's to have volume, volatility, and price action all come together. You need confluence, and I didn't have any of those. I just had price action. And not really, like I fucking barely had price action. We have the big monthly level at the top, and then we have some fucking bullshit. I don't know. It was a shit trade. It was a bad trade. But as you can see, it went in my direction. So after missing this initial run up, I put in a put. It comes down here. Bunch of wicks. Then I marked this area off. Interesting, there's liquidity sitting here. There's some buyers trying to buy up these candles back up. And then it worked. As you can see, it went straight back up to the monthly level. It broke above it, but then immediately there's a huge amount of sellers sitting right above this level. So it shoots them back down. And I exited my position right here. Right here. It was a green candle. Just right up here. Just barely above the level. And I was like, and my stop loss was 15 cents above. So it was something. Yeah. Oh wait, maybe it was 07. It was somewhere about here. And I exited right here. And then I kind of stopped focusing. And I go back to talking to my friends. I don't even remember what we were talking about. But I remember, I think it was something about this girl's ass that was huge. I don't know. And then I looked back at my computer screen a couple of, 20 seconds later. Maybe I went on my phone or some shit. And then, boom, wow. And it had gone all the way down to here in seconds. Huge rush of volume. I don't know. I couldn't even have spotted it, even if I was still paying attention. It was a shit trade, but I missed a good trade. I was in profit, $15 at this point. So down here would not have been a bad trade. Down here would not have been a bad trade. Down here would not have been a bad trade. But I exited up here because I hit my stop loss. My stop loss was too shallow. It was 15 cents and not 15%. If it was 15%, it wouldn't have fit. Maybe I should start taking my stop losses with percents. What the fuck is this? Maybe I should start doing my stop losses with percents. Maybe that might increase my performance and my trading. And then I fucking stopped trading like here. Yeah, it came all the way back up. I exited here and I stopped trading like right about here at noon. Then it was lunch at 12:10 because of the different schedule today, and then I don't even know, I fucking ran up $5, $4, $4.50. This must have been such a crazy move. Anyways, in conclusion, I'm shit at trading, but I think if you're good at trading after only trading for a couple of months, then you're not really good at trading. You're just lucky.